Good morning, dear student. Myself Binod Singh. Today I will discuss about cell organelles and their function. First of all, we discussed about cell wall. Cell wall in many cells, mainly plant cell, there is a tough cell wall. It is addition to cell membrane. It is found outer to the cell membrane. It was first observed by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cell wall is absent in animal, but it is found in all plant cell, fungi, and bacterial cell. Cell wall in plant cell is mainly composed of cellulose, which is a complex material that provides strength to the cell. Cell wall is freely permeable, that is both solute and solvent can pass through it. And we discussed about the functions of cell wall. Cell wall represents a kind of exoskeleton and provides rigidity and a mechanic support strength to the cell. It maintains the shape of the cell. Cell wall helps the cell to withstand very dilute, that means hypotonic external medium. In such medium, cell gain water through the osmosis and swell up. So cell wall helps the cell by preventing its bursting. In root, cell wall also help in the absorption of water and mineral. And we discussed second cell organelles, plasma membrane or cell membrane. Every cell is bounded by the thin elastic but strong membrane called plasma membrane, that means cell membrane. It is outermost covering that separate the content of the cell from surrounding environment. Like some cell, as a plant cell and fungi also contain an additional layer which is known as cell wall. Plasma membranes serve to protect the protoplasm from external environment and maintain the individuality of the cell. And we discussed the structure of cell membrane in this diagram, that means given below. Structure of cell membrane: plasma membrane and cell membrane are about 6 to 10 nm thick layer nanometer. They are mainly composed of phospholipid layer and associate protein. And their functions of cell membrane: cell membrane is outer limiting membrane of the cell. It performs many vital functions. Some important functions are given below. Cell membrane forms cell boundary and maintain the individuality of the cell. Cell membrane protect the cell from external injury and containment. Cell membrane are selectively permeable, that means allow only certain types of substance to pass through them. Cell membrane regulate the movement of molecule in and out of cell. Intake of materials by cell is called endocytosis. It is also very important function of cell membrane. The intake in solid form is called phagocytosis, while intake in liquid forms is called pinocytosis. Intake of material occurs by diffusion, such as oxygen and CO2, that means carbon dioxide. Osmosis, such as water and other solvent, is also active absorption, that means where energy is consumed. Diffusion and osmosis do not require energy input. discussed about diffusion. Diffusion is a process that means movement of substance across a plasma membrane also depend upon the concentration of its and around the cell. Movement of substance from a region of its higher concentration to region of its lower concentration is known as diffusion. Various gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide move in out of the cell from their higher concentration, that means higher pressure, to their lower concentration, that means lower pressure. That means the question will be arise why the plasma membrane called the selectively permeable membrane. That answer given below. On the basis of movement of substance across the membrane, the membranes are following types according feature. Impermeable membrane. These membranes do not allow the movement of any kinds of substance across them. Semi-permeable membrane. These membranes allow the movement of only solvent, liquid particles, but these do not allow the movement of solute, that means salt and solid, across them. Selectively permeable membranes. These membranes allow the movement of only selected particles, both solute and solvent, across them. This question's answer selectively permeable. Selectively permeable, that means membrane allow the movement of only selected particles, both solute and solvent, across them. Freely permeable membrane. These membrane allow the movement of almost all types of substance and particles